What are your New
TikTok,
Year's
good morning, good morning, good
resolutions?
morning. Let's talk about New Year's resolutions. Let's talk about it, okay? What's your goals? What do you want to do? I'm going to talk about my New Year's resolution. Okay, I'm going to be honest with y'all, and this probably don't even sound good. My New Year's resolution is to make more money, work harder, make more money, take more trips. I enjoy living a soft life. I want to have enough money to do everything. A lot of fun things. Also, another New Year's resolution is to start another business. I had started a business in 2019 and I had let it go. I let it go. And so I plan on revitalizing that business. I will talk about what the business is another. See, this coffee be making me talk fast and nervously. At a later date. But think of your New Year's resolution, okay? It's all about goals. Come on, come on, come on. Have a good day.